What's up everybody, Jordan here from Tech Talk Today. I'm back with another video. In this video, we're going to be doing a new episode of Unboxing Cool Tech. Let's get started. Alright, so in this video, we're going to be talking about the Neewer 46-inch tripod, the 40-inch carbon fiber Neewer slider, this cool micro USB power cable from Powerology that I found at Marshall's a couple days ago, this wireless charger from TrendLogic, also from Marshall's, and this Neewer CN160 LED video light. Let's go. Alrighty, so to get this one, go to amazon.ca.com and it'll run you $56.49 Canadian, and it comes in a few different sizes, which I'll read off for you right now. So it comes in the 30 centimeter version for $54, 40 centimeter for $56.49, just this one. 50 centimeter for $66, 60 centimeter for $90, 80 centimeters for $100, and the biggest one, 120 centimeters for $120. So I'm gonna set up my second camera. We're gonna get this unboxed. Let's go. Alright, so we're gonna unbox this. I'm gonna switch to my second camera once again. So here we go. Logo because I kind of want to keep this because it's pretty nice. Alright, just pull one side. Lots of plastic. I'm not a big fan of. It is what it is. There we go. Off, pile off the side. Neewer 40 centimeter carbon fiber slider, it says on there. This box is stapled shut, which you can see right now. Yeah. Slide that side. Plug up. Anything else? Nope. Put it away. You get this nice case, red and black, which I like. Favorite colors. Let's open it up. There it is. So this looks really nice. Carbon fiber, pretty small. You can get some good sliding shots, which you'll see very soon in the videos. But this is going to be really nice to have for I'm doing reviews and shooting a B-roll with the product, which is why I picked this up. So anything else? Get some, and just a letter from the customer service director of Neewer. That's exciting. Also got this tripod mount. Pretty standard. It's always good to have a couple around. Using your phone for video. It's nice that they include that in the packaging. Yeah, let's keep it moving. Alrighty, so the next thing we're going to unbox is the Neewer portable 56-inch, 142 centimeter aluminum camera tripod with 3-way swivel pan head and for DSLR cameras, and we'll load up to 8.8 pounds, 4 kilograms in black for $45.49. Amazon. Anything else? I'll have all these links down below if you want to go read more information for yourself. And this is the same packaging as the slider, which looks really nice, but it's pretty annoying to open. I don't have a knife here. And then if you happen to pick this up, you don't have to open both sides. You just rip one side. There it is. I'm gonna go with my second camera on this one. Just get a from the front. Nothing really exceptional to look at. It's got adjustable legs, a pan tilt head for those nice like sweeping shots that you see. And then this comes in black, red, or blue. I have the black version. Pop it out of this cardboard. Side, and you got pretty standard tripod case, black fabric, the shoulder strap. This feels decently light, a little on the heavy side compared to the current tripod that I'm using, which is the Amazon Basics one, which is going to be retired and given to my sister because I have this now. Slide this out. Side, put that right there. And the same letter as the slider, to the side. This is the tripod. It's a nice solid collapsible tripod with a hook for hanging sandbags from it, I guess. If you want to weigh it down, you can adjust each segment of the legs. So it's cool. So that's just with the first set of legs extended. And this, you can loosen that. There you go, yeah, make it more smooth. It comes with a tripod base plate on top, so it's a good look. I don't know if any tripods don't come with that, but I mentioned it anyway. It's a good thing to have. These feet move, so you can make sure that it's level, which is cool. Yeah, so this is gonna be my new backup tripod for shooting these videos. Let's keep it moving. Alright, so this is the Neewer CN160 LED video light. This is pretty simple, so I don't need to read any of the stuff off the website, but so you can do a spotlight effect, diffuse effect, or 3200K effect, which is warmer, as you can see on the box there. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. It's just a video light that mounts on your camera to use for videos. I believe the same one. Yeah, same one right now. That's my main video light. So I figured it'd be nice to have a second one. Yeah. Box. All this stuff out. You get instructions. This little base plate if you want to put rechargeable batteries in there. I don't with my other one. I probably won't with this one. I just use AA batteries because they're pretty easy to replace. And I have lots of them around. Yeah, so there it is. So this is the exact same as the one I'm using now. So allow me to give some more light on my videos. Pretty simple. You slide this diffusion plate off. You just want to go straight spotlight. But I always use it with this white one on for a little bit of softer light. But also in here is the warmer plate. If you don't want to use the other diffuse plate, you can put it in here. Keep this with you. And just some random foam or stuff that I'll put back in the box. File that to the side. Yeah. That's the Neewer CN160 video light. I will be using this in future videos, so stay tuned for that. Let's keep it moving. Alright, so I've got a couple of products from Marshalls that I found on Boxing Day. So I've got this Powerology 4-foot micro USB cable. It's made of leather. I saw this there, bought it, it was only $8, so pretty cool for $8. So pop this open first. Plastic off the bottom, lift that up, nice and simple. A little twist tie on the back, just get that untied, like that. Boom, pull that off, put it back in there. It's plastic, so this thing. Yeah, so that's the cable. I'll put some B-roll as well of all these products. You can see them a bit closer. Yeah, micro USB on one end, USB-A on the other. Pretty simple and straightforward. So then, the next thing we have is this 10-watt wireless charger, which is compatible with all the latest Qi-enabled flagships. Fast charge, 10 watts, and it can be flat or as a stand, and it'll run you $20. You get this at Marshalls about $34 in other places. And it comes with a wireless charger, the stand insert, and a 3-foot micro USB cable. So let's pop this open. I'm not a big fan of these bits of plastic that you have to peel back. This makes unboxing stuff kind of difficult, but it is what it is. And I'm pretty excited about this product because the wireless charger that I have been using, the Spigen one I showed in a previous video, is kind of slow. So here it is, in some plastic. Slide that out. Oh, this is really nice. So it's just plastic, but it feels like metal. And then you got this little stand part that you can use just by sliding it through the front. Just like that. And then sit your phone on there like that. Plug in the cable to a brick. Instructions, simple and straightforward. No big deal. Throw that back in the box. All that side. Yeah, so that's the Trend Logic wireless charger. Got some branding right there in the front. I'm not crazy about, but it is what it is. Otherwise, pretty cool looking wireless charger. I'm looking forward to testing it out, along with this pretty dope micro USB cable that I found. Yeah, let's keep it moving. Alrighty, so quick recap of what we checked out in this video. So we looked at the Neewer 40cm slider on carbon fiber. I'm going to be using this in future videos, which I'm really hyped about. We looked at the Neewer 46-inch aluminum tripod, which is going to replace my Amazon Basics tripod, as I said. We've got this second Neewer CN160 video light. It's going to just help improve my videos. Got this cool little wireless charger from Marshalls I'm going to be using in the very near future, along with this cool micro USB cable. Yeah, so I'll have all the links down below. If you want to check out any of this stuff, it's all pretty affordable, especially this carbon fiber slider. Considering the design and build quality, $57 is a pretty good price. And this is my first video slider, so I'm pretty hyped about that. Yeah, let's keep it moving. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I'll be back for more soon. Peace.